Ilimu, Utako Kamboa.
What? What you say?
I said those are windows, young man. Should try making some. Might set you free.
So the last video that I put out, someone made a comment. The video is entitled, Imagine a World Without Money. And someone put a comment on there that said, they say, it sounds like communism. Socialism, communism, dirty word. There has never really been, at least not in the last few hundred years, any real socialism or real communism. Communism is to commune. Okay? Everyone talks about China, for instance, communist country, Russia, communist this. You know, that's where you got a bunch of evil dictators at the top of the ladder telling people you have to be a teacher, you have to be this, you have to be that. And that's not what I'm talking about. And they're saying, oh, we get to live in these big, beautiful mansion, blah, 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 while you deserve a house like this, you deserve a house like this. And whether you're a doctor or a garbage man, you're going to make the same amount of money. So, it's not communism. Well, it is communism, but it's real communism. Real communism is people communing, putting their skills and their talents and their efforts together for the good of the whole. Not just these sheep here and then the people on the top get to make all the decisions. No, 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 that's not what I mean. I mean people working in harmony together, no leaders. If I'm the best person with the horticultural project that we're working on, then I'm the leader at that point. When we get to something else and someone else is better, he's the leader. How can you have a leader of everything? Okay, I'm the president, so I can tell everybody else what to do. Are you kidding me? You don't know anything about my industry and you're going to tell me how to run it? Get out of here, man. We need to stop that, guys. We need to understand how things really work. Or really should work. We need to get back to nature. Look at this place. Look at this place. I wake up every day and I look out. First of all, it starts with the howler monkeys and the chickens. The Congos. Here they call them Congos, and I prefer that. It sounds cooler than a howler monkey. But you know, because the European scientists said, hey, we're going to call these howler monkeys, and that's what they are. No, I prefer Congo, because here they call them the Congo. And here is where they are. They're not in Europe. And they are just howling. And they are just... And you can hear this sound for a kilometer away. Man, the way the sounds go here, they're in all of these places, all around here. This is all jungle. Where you see that tree line there? You go inside those trees, and it's like walking into Fangorn Forest. It's awesome. It's beautiful. I don't know why people don't like the jungle. I love the jungle. I think it's amazing. It's amazing. All the things we've seen here. Sloths, tarantulas, snakes, corals. I saw a coral snake for the first time in my life out here. Coral snake. One of the most deadly snakes in the world. But, okay, I'm going to talk about snakes for a second. What is it with people and snakes? Same with communism. You're born hearing that it's evil. Snakes are awesome. I have been a hunter. There's one thing I've never killed in my entire life. Never, not once. And I killed a lot of stuff in my lost days, okay? When I was a younger man and I was angry and I was all those things that younger men are until they become older men. I killed a lot of stuff, but one thing I never killed, I always had respect for, and that's snakes. Umar Johnson once said, was telling the story of the ice people and the sun people. Anyway, he made the example about snakes and lions. You know, we see a snake, our original culture from Kemet. We say, hey, snake, how you doing? I'm gonna go this way. We see a lion, hey lion, how you doing? I'm gonna go that way. It's all about respect, knowing your surroundings, knowing what nature is, understanding nature, living in harmony with nature. You know, most people go after snakes, they see a snake and they run after it to kill it. Why are you doing that? Oh, because he's poisonous. He can kill you. Well, damn. How is it that something that's running away from you trying to kill you, and you're running towards it trying to kill it? You know, if this was really an attitude that should be taken in nature, then every single thing on this planet should come after us. We kill something just because it can kill us? Well, we kill everything. Every animal on the planet should be after humans, right? Because we can and do go after them constantly. All right, calm down. Like I said, I'm still getting over my shingles. My leg here is weak, very weak. And it's more surface pain now than the deeper pain, like deep nerve pain that was before. But it's still very sensitive and it's weak and it's difficult to bend it and do stuff. And when I get off this chair, this nice chair that I made here, I'll tell you about that later. Show you how I make all kinds of stuff here. Then it's going to be difficult to walk back. But I came out here. It's a beautiful setting. We're going to do more stuff. I'm going to show you guys how we mix the dirt, how we make the fire pot, how we make the toilet. We have to finish the toilet. In fact, we're digging a new hole now. They last about a month. The compost toilet. It's pretty basic and simple, but it's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Even going to the toilet is a beautiful experience. You know, you got the door open because there's nobody here. Of course, you got a door if you want to put it on there. But you just like sitting there going, yeah, and you just watch nature all around. Nature is the stuff, guys, I have to tell you. Nature is this stuff. And you really, really get back to something that you don't even know you've forgotten about, that you don't even know you've missed. It takes a little bit of time to get used to it. But when you do, you realize all that stuff you think you need, you don't need it all. And all the stuff that you really need, you don't have anywhere around you. Fresh air. Look at that sky. Not a single chemtrail in the sky. These are all real clouds. Real clouds. Okay? No stripes in this sky. Fresh air, water from a well, deep in this ground. And it tastes so delicious. No Monsanto. All right, I'm babbling. So, till next time, guys. Upendo na heshima.